meteorologist Don Guthrie with a Fox Youngstown forecast.
Well, a very interesting weather scenario setting up for tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and the big question is how much snow do we get? Where you see these showers right here, that's right along a cold front that is ushering in colder air right now. But the next slug of precipitation for us will be liquid, and it's already bearing down on St. Louis, Memphis, western Tennessee, and that will head up our way a little bit later on tonight, and probably won't even start raining here till anytime after 9 tomorrow morning, and maybe even before noon. Future radar and temperatures too have it moving in here right around 11 o'clock. But after that, it's all rain till we get into the afternoon hours. Here's the question though for how much snow do we get? You'll also notice by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it's already maybe changing to some snow up along the lakefront because that's where the coldest air is. Now the position of that low as it crosses Tennessee, Kentucky, if it stays further off to the south, that area of cold air will be closer to us, and that means we get snow. The changeover from rain to snow happens earlier in the afternoon tomorrow as opposed to tomorrow night. The main thing you want to remember is make sure you check with Ryan Halicki tomorrow night at 6. He'll have the details on exactly how much snow do we get because some of the models are kind of all over the place. Okay, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then the snow starts to come a little bit further off to the south as the rain exits to the east, and then by the time we get to 9 Saturday night, it's all snow, and wherever you see some of those darker shades of blue, that's a good possibility of some heavier snow. But keep in mind how much snow we get not only is dependent on the center of low pressure, but is also dependent on the temperatures, of course, when the snow begins. The longer it stays warmer into the afternoon or early evening hours, the less snow we end up by getting. Then by 1 o'clock late tomorrow night or into Sunday morning, things begin to dry out according to future radar. Nothing happens again then till maybe the early morning hours of Sunday when there's a few showers left, snow showers left over, and then we get back to some sunshine by Sunday afternoon. Nonetheless, here's what happened or is happening right now is that surge of colder air is gradually heading this direction. 41 in Cortland, 39 Mesopotamia, and it's still in the 40s here in Mahoning County down through Columbiana County as well. And that colder air will push our temps down to the low 30s, maybe around 30 by daybreak. Officially today, 58 and 41 up at the airport, well above normal on both the high and the low. And 39 now at the airport, dew point 36, humidity at 87%. Here at the station, we're still at 41. So mostly cloudy for the rest of the overnight period, 30 or the low 30s by daybreak. Might get a couple of holes in the clouds that allow us to cool back to 30, otherwise maybe 32, 33 by daybreak. Tomorrow, 44, rain likely and windy, and then comes the question as to when that colder air drops the temperatures tomorrow afternoon, when does the changeover from rain to snow happen? Rain changes to snow tomorrow night, maybe into the early afternoon hours, in which case the totals of snow by Sunday morning could be greater. Right now it looks like 1 to 3 inches of possibility by daybreak Sunday, and it stays windy Saturday night into Sunday as well. Pretty good looking day Sunday. Once we get rid of the early morning snow showers and the clouds also, we get back to some decent sunshine, and 40 for a high on Sunday. Monday looks good. Big warm up on the way. Mid-50s Monday, low 60s Tuesday, and mid-50s on Wednesday with a lot of clouds around. And for now, Thursday, Friday, looking like a chance of some rain for both of those days, and temps in the 50s. Don't forget